Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix the GPU error in Anno 117. Pax Romana. An unexpected GPU error occurred, D3D12 Error. If your game crashes, freezes, or instantly gives you this GPU message, follow these steps to fix it. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open your Start menu and type Graphics Settings. Click on it to open the Windows Graphics Settings menu. Scroll down and click on Add Desktop App. Now you need to locate the game's executable file. Follow this path. Open your Steam library folder. Open Steam Apps. Open the Common folder. Open Anno 117. Open Bin. Open Win64. Find Anno117.exe, select it, and click Add. Now find Anno 117 in the list. Click it and expand the options. Under GPU Preference, select High Performance. This forces the game to always use your dedicated GPU. Now launch your game and see if the error is gone. Solution 2. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, follow this step. Open your Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open it, then go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new update is available, download and install it. Once the update is complete, restart your PC and try launching the game again. And that's it. These two solutions fix the unexpected GPU error, D3D12 error for most players in Anno 117, Pax Romana. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.